Safety, hygiene, and precision are critical in the packaging of medical supplies. Today, we'll show you a medical plastic lid packaging line that meets Class 10,000 Cleanroom standards, ensuring that every detail meets the highest hygiene and quality requirements. In order to ensure a dust-free environment, we strictly follow the standard of 10,000 Class Cleanroom, and the entry of cartons and other external items is always prohibited in the workshop. The purpose of this is to avoid the introduction of any source of contamination to the maximum extent possible, and to ensure that each piece of medical plastic cover is packaged in a clean environment. All equipment is made of high-quality stainless steel, which is corrosion and abrasion resistant and easy to clean. Each piece of equipment has been thoroughly sterilized and cleaned to ensure that every step of the process can be operated in an environment that meets hygienic standards and ensures a high level of packaging safety. The first step in the packaging line is the bag inserter of the recycling drums. In this step, an automated system efficiently and accurately bags each recirculation drum. Through this process, we avoid possible contamination from manual operations and ensure cleanliness in every packaging step. Followed by the filling process, all filling equipment is made of stainless steel to ensure no pollution and no rust. In this part, we adopt high-precision filling technology to strictly control the number of plastic caps in each bag. After the filling is completed, the sealing process begins. Our sealing technology utilizes high temperature and pressure to ensure that each bag opening is tightly closed, eliminating any source of contamination and ensuring the safety and hygiene of the product during transportation and storage. In this section, the products are accurately demolded, quickly poured out, and ready for the next process. The whole process is controlled by an intelligent system, which ensures that each action is precise and accurate, avoiding human error and improving efficiency while ensuring the stability of product quality. After the basic packaging of each product is completed, we inspect the product through a linked system of weighing machines and metal detectors. The weighing machine first ensures that the weight of each product is accurate, and then the metal detector checks each package for any metal contaminants or contaminants. After metal detection of qualified products, automated robotic arms quickly grab and accurately place them into cartons. This process greatly improves production efficiency and reduces the risk of human operation, ensuring the accuracy and efficiency of packaging. Finally, under the operation of the automated sealing machine, the packed cartons are quickly closed to ensure that each carton of products can be safely delivered to customers, ensuring that they are intact during transportation. As a leader in the packaging machinery industry, with years of industry experience and strong R&D capabilities, we always insist on technological innovation and reliable quality as the core. Our equipment has served hundreds of top pharmaceutical companies around the world and become their trusted partners. Choose our automated packaging equipment to improve your production efficiency and ensure product quality. Let us provide you with first-class packaging solutions to guard the safety and health of medical product packaging.